Hello everyone. Hi, it's Carrie here from the Millbury Public Library. It's that time of year. I'm thinking of the fall crisp air and going apple picking. So this month's cookbook, it will be using my favorite fruit of the season, the apple. The book is called The Ciderhouse Cookbook by Johnathan Carr, Nicole Blum, and Andrea Blum. Let me show you the cookbook up close. So in this book, they show you how to make a bunch of cider products. There is 127 recipes that are simple yet elegant, ranging from oven roasted asparagus with garlicky apple vinaigrette, Ciderhouse roasted chicken, and crepes with fried apples and cider caramel sauce. Sounds delicious. So let's take a peek at those couple that I highlighted. So first we have the roasted asparagus with the vinaigrette. Pretty simple to follow and read along. On this recipe, it tells you our orchard sits atop Hadley, Massachusetts, which was once known as asparagus capital of the world. So it gives you a nice little paragraph of information that's interesting to know. Then let's move on to the Ciderhouse roasted chicken recipe. So there's that recipe. And on this recipe, it doesn't really go into much detail, but it does give you, talks about the skin being a gorgeous brown and some details of the recipe. Then the next recipe that piqued my curiosity is the crepes with fried apples and the caramel sauce. So, my finger's in the way of the picture. So look at that. It looks delicious. So again, they have a little blurb that tells you about the recipe in it. And there's for the fried apples and the cider caramel sauce. So again, it was easy to look, follow. In the beginning of the book, it did tell you about their farm. So this family will show you how to bring the rich and delicious flavors of cider into your kitchen. Again, it's Ciderhouse Cookbook. I hope you get to enjoy this fall. Bye. Don't forget, you can check this out at the library or go on our website and place a hold on it today. Thanks. Bye.